Come and join in with a special event this summer. Peace Fest, where stillness meets joy. Time to relax. Time to meditate. Time to be. Time to enjoy. That's Sunday, the 24th of August, and Bank Holiday Monday, the 25th of August. The house and gardens are open from 2 to 4 p.m, and at 4:15 until 6:30 p.m, it's The Light Show, a live stage event in the marquee. Admission is free, so come along with friends and family to the Global Retreat Centre, Newnham Courtney in Oxfordshire. For more details and registration, please visit globalretreatcentre.org.